Hi, we are ready.
Okay, what do you want?
Hey, Jannah, how are you?
I'm good, Seattle. How are you?
Good. It's nice to hear from you. Where are you?
I'm in Hargeisa.
Oh, yeah, I saw your number. You're in Hargeisa now.
Yes, I just came to Hargeisa.
Okay. Well, I'm having a quick bite. I'm eating lunch. Do you want to come by and have lunch?
Yeah, I'll stop by. Where are you?
Right now, I'm at a restaurant called Union Cafe. Have you heard of that one?
No, but I will get it away and I'll come to you.
Okay, great. So Union Cafe is in the souk, and it's next to, right next to Al Baik restaurant, where the Herawar buses are, and across the street from Nasiba ice cream.
Okay, cool. I'll be with you in the next 10 minutes.
All right, I'll see you in 10 minutes, inshallah.
Inshallah. Hey, bye.
All right, see you soon.
Bye bye.
Hey.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Have a seat.
Thanks.
Welcome.
How have you been?
I'm doing great.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Welcome to Hargeisa.
Thank you.
Yeah.
How's life?
Life is good. How was your trip?
My trip was good. It was long. I
Okay.
came from Gado, a 10-hour drive. It was good though.
Good.
Alhamdulillah.
And why did you come to Hargeisa?
I had a mini vacation.
Mini vacation. Nice.
Joe will get this.
Nice. Well, it's nice to see you again.
Nice to see you.
Let's
too.
order some food.
Yes, shall we?
Okay. So here comes the waiter. Hi. Hello.
Hello.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Great.
How are
great.
you?
We're doing very good.
MashaAllah. Welcome to Union Restaurant.
Thank you so much.
Hargeisa, Somaliland.
Thank you. Thank you for your hospitality.
Thank you very much.
Good.
It's my
good.
pleasure.
Great. My
Welcome.
name is Seattle.
Good.
This is Jannah. She's visiting Hargeisa.
MashaAllah. Welcome, Hargeisa. Nice to meet you.
Okay.
I'm
Can
very
we
happy to
have
see
the
you.
menu, please?
Yes.
Do you have a menu? Oh,
You're
nice.
welcome.
This is the menu.
Yes, this is the menu.
Good. Very
Good.
good. Okay.
You're also welcome.
Thank
you
you
so
so
much.
much.
You're welcome. All right. Take a time.
Okay. Thank
Enjoy
you.
our menu.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Wait. Nice. I like this.
It's a really nice menu.
Beautiful menu.
MashaAllah.
Oh, interesting. Did you know Union Restaurant was open 1957?
Oh, no, I did not.
Yeah. Wow. First hotel, Hargeisa's first hotel.
Nice.
So, let's see. They have breakfast, main dishes, dinner. So, they also have hot beverages, cold beverage, desserts. Let's go to main dishes.
Main dishes.
Yeah, because now it's lunchtime. It's not breakfast. Do you see anything you like? Goat meat, hanid, camel meat,
I think
spaghetti. Okay, so I think I'll have the goat meat hanid. What about you?
I will go for the same.
Same?
Yes.
Okay, let me call the waiter. Mr. Mohammed, 1 minute, please. Excuse me. Hi, we are ready.
Okay, what do you want?
I'll have the goat hanid.
Goat hanid.
And she'll have the goat hanid as well. So
Okay.
two.
2 goat honey.
Two goat hanids.
So
Yes.
Same order.
Same order. That's
What?
right.
Okay. What would you like to drink?
Yes, I'll have mango juice
Mango juice
for the drink,
or drink?
and she'll have a cocktail.
Cocktail.
Yeah,
Wow.
cocktail's good?
Yes. Nice choice.
Okay, nice choice.
yeah.
Good. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right, here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome with
Thank
open
you.
hands.
Thank you. With open hands, I like that. Great, thank you.
Maybe you choose.
Yeah,
Maybe.
that's good.
Right?
That's right.
I think you choose cocktail.
That's right. Good. Good. Thanks a lot. It's super cold. Okay, let's take a look at this food. This is the rice.
Rice.
Rice. This is the meat.
The meat.
Goat meat.
Go meat.
This is the mango juice. Mango juice.
Juice.
Mango juice. This is the hot sauce.
Hot sauce.
The hot sauce. Spicy.
Very
It's
spicy.
very spicy. Good. Right here is the vegetables.
The vegetables.
Yeah, the vegetables. Let's enjoy the food.
Bismillah.
Bismillah. Hi, I'd like to pay the bill.
Hello, here's your bill.
Thank
How
you.
would you like to pay? Would you like to pay by Zad? Would you like to pay by e-dahab? Would you like to pay by cash? Or would you like to pay by credit or debit card?
I'd like to pay by SAD on my mobile phone.
Okay,
Is that
perfect.
okay?
Yes.
Great. Where's
Our
the number?
Telesom number is right here.
Okay.
Our merchant number.
Good.
And e-dahab is over here.
Good. Thank you so much.
Of course.
There you
Thanks
go.
for coming to Union.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a good one.